In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to open an account in the Royal Bank of Canada. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I recommend you follow this video on your computer, but you can also do this on your phone through the website rbcroyalbank.com. Regardless of which option you choose, as long as you have access to a web browser and you go to this website, you will be able to apply for an account in the Royal Bank of Canada. When you arrive at this website, choose your language and then select Accounts over here at the top and then Accounts Overview. In this part of the video, I recommend you take your own time and you read through all of this. Some accounts might be better for you than others, and it's important that you find the right account for you. Regardless, once you read through all of these available accounts, simply choose the one where you want to open an account for. As you can see, you can expand the details here and even compare them at the bottom. Again, find the account and then click Open Account. You will be redirected to this page, and in here, these are the guidelines that you need to follow if you want to apply for an account. So go ahead, read through all of this and answer the questions presented to you over here. Select Get Started at the bottom, and it's going to give you prompts for optional additions, but as long as you keep following with the process, you will be able to apply for the Royal Bank of Canada and start your account right away. As you can see, you simply have to input any contact information and then verify your identity. You can either use your driver's license or passport or the details you provide through this prompt. I hope I was able to help you on how to open an account in the Royal Bank of Canada. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.